Hello students, today we are going to learn one topic, that is operations on real numbers. So by taking some examples we are going to solve. This is solved example 13, page number 19. That is add 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and root 2 minus root 3. How we are going to add this? We'll take 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus root 2 minus 3 root 3. We'll open this 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus root 2 minus 3 root 3. We'll bring the common numbers 2 root 2 plus root 2 plus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. If there's no number, you'll consider it as 1. So you'll underline this. This will be 3 root 2 plus 5 minus 3, 2 root 3. 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3 is 2 root 3. We'll take another example. That is 14th solved example. Multiply 6 root 5 by 2 root 5. So, how we are going to write? 6 root 5 into 2 root 5. That is 6 into 2 into root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5 is what? 5. This is equal to 60. Now, this is 15th. Divide 8 root 15 by 2 root 3. 8 root 15 divided by 2 root 3. So, you can write like this. First we'll cancel. 2 ones are 2 fours are 4. Root 15 you can write root 5 into root 3 and this is upon root 3. Cancel this root 3. This will become 4 root 5. So, such examples we are going to solve today, taking solved examples. Now we are going to take solved example 16. What is solved example 16? First problem. 5 plus root 7 multiply by 2 plus root 5. So, this is binomial, this is binomial. 8th standard we have learned how to multiply a binomial by binomial. First we'll take 5, then this will be 2 plus root 5. Then we'll take root 7. Again we'll take 2 plus root 5. We'll multiply these two. 5 plus 2, 10. 5 into root 5 is 5 root 5. This is 2 root 7. If there are two numbers under root, this is root 7, root 5, you can multiply and that will become root 35. Here no number is common, so this will be your final answer. 16, this was first question. Second, 5 plus root 5, 5 minus root 5. So, again same step, 5 minus root 5. This will take root 5, that is binomial by binomial. This we have already studied. 5 plus 5, 5 into 5, 25. 5 root 5 plus 5 root 5 minus root 5 into root 5 is 5. Here, these two will cut because same numbers opposite sign. 25 minus 5 is 20. Now we'll go for third problem. Third problem is root 3 plus root 7 whole square. You know this a plus b whole square. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we'll use that. Root 3 square plus 2 into root 3 into root 7 plus root 7 whole square. What is root 3 whole square? 3. Root 3 into root 3, this will be root 21. And root 7 whole square is 7. So 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 2 root 21. We'll take fourth problem. Root 11 minus root 7. This root 11 plus root 7. We can solve by two methods. Here we will solve by multiplying binomial by binomial and we'll solve one more method a plus b, a minus b. So first we'll multiply binomial by binomial. This is root 11 plus root 7. We'll take this sign here. Again we'll take root 7 and root 11 plus root 7. So root 11 into root 11 is root 11. This will be root 77. This will be minus 77. And this will be root 7 into root 7 will be 7. So this will get cut. This will be 4. The same example we'll take in different form. A minus b into a plus b. This is a square minus b square. That is root 11 square minus root 7 square. What you'll get? Root 11 square 11. Root 7 square 7. This will be equal to 4. Now we are going to learn rationalizing the denominator. This is one more topic. Rationalizing the denominator. And what this means we'll see by solving examples. First example is rationalizing the denominator, that is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 how we are going to take? We are going to multiply and divide by root 2, rationalizing the denominator. So same number we are going to multiply and we are going to divide. So what you are going to get? Here root 2 and root 2 into root 2, what you are going to get? That is 2. So after rationalizing 1 by root 2, you get root 2 upon 2. We'll see another example. This is 18th solved example. 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Here what we are supposed to do is, we are supposed to take the conjugate. This is a binomial. Conjugate means if it is 2 plus root 3, the conjugate will be 2 minus root 3. If in any problem you get 2 minus root 3, the conjugate will be 2 plus root 3. Here rationalizing the denominator, we'll write rationalizing the denominator. How to rationalize? What will be the conjugate of 2 plus root 3? Conjugate of 2 plus root 3 will be 2 minus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. So here in the numerator you will get 2 minus root 3, in denominator 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So what you are going to get? 2 minus root 3. Here a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. This is 2 minus root 3 upon 2 square means 4. Root 3 square means 3. So 2 minus root 3 upon 1. Or you can directly write 2 minus root 3. So we'll take another example. Solved example 19th. What is solved example 19th? 5 upon root 3 minus root 5. Rationalizing the denominator. Same. 5 root 3 minus root 5. As I said, if it is minus, we are supposed to take conjugate. So, this is 5 root 3 plus root 5. We'll take this side by side. So what you are going to get? We'll keep it like this only. We won't multiply first. First we'll see what you are going to get. A minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square. So this is 5. We'll keep it like this only. What is root 3 square? 3. What is root 5 square? 5. So 5 root 3 plus root 5 upon minus 2. You can keep it like this. Now we'll take solved example 20. 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 2. Same steps we are going to follow, rationalizing the denominator. So rationalizing the denominator means what will be the conjugate now? 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 7 minus 3 root 2. Numerator will keep it like that. 7 minus 3 root 2. Here 7 plus 3 root 2 and this bracket 7 minus 3 root 2. Keep the numerator as it is. Here a plus b, a minus b. A square minus 3 root 2 square. Keep the numerator like that. This is 49. See, 3 square is 9. Root 2 is 2. 9 2s are 18. So this will be 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 31. On this basis, we are going to solve 1.5 exercise. We'll take simple problem what we have studied. With that, we'll take first solved example 2. Sorry, exercise problem 2. What is simplify? That is simplify. So what is first question? 3 plus root 3, 2 plus root 2. We'll simplify. 3 bracket 2 plus root 2 plus root 3 bracket 2 plus root 2. What we are going to get? 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Root 3 into root 2 will be root 6. We'll take second problem. 3 plus root 3 and 3 minus root 3. A plus B and A minus B. So directly you can put the formula or you can do without formulas. I'm going to put the formula. Identity A square minus B square. This will be 3 square minus root 3 square. 3 square means 9. Root 3 square means 3. This will be 6. Third problem we'll see. Root 5 plus root 2 whole square. This is what? A plus B whole square. This will be A square plus 2AB plus B square. This will be root 5 square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 plus root 2 whole square. This is 5 plus 2 root 10 plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7. You cannot add this 7 plus 2 root 10 because there is no common root 10 here. If it is root 10, then you can add. Otherwise, this is the final answer. Fourth problem. 5 minus root 2 and 5 plus root 2. Again, same formula. A minus B and A plus B. This is what? A square minus B square. This will be 5 square minus root 2 square. What is 5 square? 25. Root 2 square 2. This will be 23. Then we'll take fifth problem of this similar problem. Rationalize the denominator. 4 problems are there. I am going to solve. First problem, 1 upon root 7. Again, rationalizing the denominator. One upon root 7 into root 7 upon root 7. Numerator will be root 7. Root 7 into root 7 will become 7. Second, 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. So, conjugate will be what? After writing, rationalizing that, again you are supposed to write rationalizing the denominator. What will be the conjugate? Root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 plus root 6. So, numerator you can keep it like that. This is A minus B, A plus B. So, root 7 square minus root 6 square. Keep the numerator as it is. This is 7 minus 6. That is root 7 plus root 6 upon 1. We'll take third problem. 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. Rationalizing the denominator. So, 1 upon root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2 upon root 5 minus root 2. So, numerator will be as it is. This is, we are going to put side by side. Here I am taking here so that we can see root 5 minus root 2. A plus B, A minus B means root 5 square minus root 2 square. So, answer will be root 5 minus root 2 upon 5 minus 2. That is root 5 minus root 2 upon 3. Last problem we are going to see. Fourth, 1 upon root 7 minus 2. So, what will be the conjugate of this? Root 7 plus 2, root 7 plus 2. Every time you are supposed to write rationalizing the denominator. So, numerator will be same. Here root 7 minus 2, root 7 plus 2. So, A plus B, A minus B. So, root 7 square minus 2 square. What you are going to get? Root 7 plus 2, 7 minus 4. So, root 7 minus 2 upon 3. With this, a little problems we have solved of exercise 1.5.